girl, she fuck like 22. You can't get a kiss, can't get caught tonguing you.
We got some speakers, yo, we got it! Wow! Relieved. Thank you, Danny. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, check out my garage, guys. This is my garage right here. So today we're gonna go ahead and get after filling some of these gaps and cracks and stuff with not great stuff. This was on sale at Harbor Freight, so I went ahead and grabbed that. But I know I'm gonna need more than one can, so I'm gonna probably get switch over to the Great Stuff brand, and yeah, we'll get some of these holes and stuff covered up, and yeah. See, for like some reason, I'm not sure, but got a couple holes in the actual flooring of the van. I think it was used to be like a utility wall type deal, and they just kind of went straight in through the floor. So we're gonna go ahead and fill up those. We're gonna fill up the ribs and any other random cracks. Can't forget safety. Safety first.
And it's not just for tonight. Hotel Tonight partners with great hotels to get you incredible deals for tonight.
Let's try that again.
And beyond. Something better just came along.
Pow.
Hotel Tonight.
Basically what I'm going to do now is start going in on the walling. We got the panels all in using one polyiso board and then another polyurethane, I think. For about maybe 3 hours. Me and Homer's out here hanging out in the van, getting a good breeze. I will say, I've got a couple panels left on the ceiling. Cut the panels in smaller pieces. That way, you know, it'll flex better with the curvature of the truck or the vehicle, the van. Because the first few panels I just did 2 big pieces, and that was a mistake. It kind of started to peel off, so I had to redo it. Cut them into more pieces, and the better. Homer, stay, bud. Cut them in the more pieces, and the better. We got a couple panels on the roof, and a couple more awkward guys. Then we'll be good to go. And the flooring as well. Alright, so it's day 2 on insulation. Basically got only a few panels to go. That's how she's looking right now, but we are headed out to Danny's house. He knows how to put in this Pioneer audio deck, so we're gonna have him put it in for Frise, and hopefully we'll have a radio. The pre-butcher job. Everyone that has looked at these wires said that they're crazy too.
It's fucking nuts.
Yeah. Fortunately, some people get to do it. You almost look like you belong in the front seat of this van more than I do.
Dude, I'm gonna steal this thing.
I'll definitely get some good trips in it. Espanol?
Oh, nice. We got some beeping too. So.
Oh.
For Arizona.
I don't have the.
ABS works to keep you plugged in, powered
Oh
up.
no, it's coming from here.
We work to restore
Oh, nice.
power quickly.
That's the sound.
We got speakers, y'all. Well, Danny truly is a lifesaver. Instead of paying for that, now we have this backup camera that is now ready to use. We are good to go. Check that. Thank you, Danny, for that. Let me turn on. I'll show you the reverse, the camera. All right. Boom. Backup camera, son. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Coming back at it with another video soon. Peace.